ତା ବଲ୍ ଖୋଜିଆ ଚା ଚା ଯିବା ବଲ୍ ଖୋଜି ସେପଟେ ନାଇଁ ଏଇଟା ଏଇଟା ଖୋଲ ଏଇଟା ଖୋଲ ହଁ ଏଇଟା ପିନ୍ଧେ ହଁ ଏଇଟା ପିନ୍ଧେ 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 ଏଇଠି କୁଆଡ଼େ ଯିବାରେ ପୁଅ କ'ଣ ଲଗାଉଥିଲୁ ସେ ସାବୁ ବିଚ୍ଛାଦେ ବଲ୍ କୋଉଠି ବିଛୁ ବଲ୍ କାଇଁ ବିଛୁ କାଢିଦେବି ବିଛୁ ବଲ୍ କୋଉଠୁ ପିଛା ଖାଇଯା ବଲ୍ କାଢିଯିବା ଓ ଗଛ
कोटा
हाँ काहे पुଅ ଦେଖାଉନି ମତେ ପୁଅ କାହିଁ
ମୋର ଗଲା ତୁଜେ ଏଠି ପୁଅ ଗଲା
କି ତମ ବାଇକରେ ଟିକେ ବୁଲିକି ଆଉଛି
ହଁ
ଯାଇକି ଆଉଛି
ବାହାରିଲା
କୁଆଡ଼େ ପକେଇଲା ବଲ୍ କାହିଁ ମୋର ଭୋକ ବଢିଗଲା ତେଲ ଖାଇନି ସକାଳୁ
ବେଶୀ ହଉଛି ନାଇଁ
ମାରିଲୁ ଦେଖେ ବଲ୍ କାହିଁ
10ଟା ଅଧେ ହେଲା ଯିବ ବୋଧେ ମୋବାଇଲ ଆଉ ସେଇଟା ଆଉ ଥରେ ତ ଜଣଙ୍କର ପ୍ରାକ୍ଟିକାଲ ହେଇଛି
ହଁ ସେ ତ କିଛି ବନେଇ
ହଁ ଏବେ ଯିବା
ଆଇଲେ ଖାଇବି ନା
ମତେ ତ ଭୋକ ହଉଛି ଓ ତ ଯିବି କି ଯିବି ଯାଉଛି ନହେଲେ ହେଲା
Have you got anything out of it? When you go through the metro,
2026 ରେ ଏକ୍ସପାୟାର୍ଡ ହେଇଯିବ। ଜାନୁଆରୀ ଫେବୃଆରୀ ମାର୍ଚ୍ଚ ଏପ୍ରିଲ ମେ ଜୁନ
ଅଛି 11 ନଭେମ୍ବର
ନଭେମ୍ବର ଭିତରେ ଗୋଟେ ସରିଯାଉଛି।
ଏବେ ସର ଦେଉନ ଢାଳିକି
ସତ ମୁଣ୍ଡରେ ଢାଳି ଦେବି ତ ଡାଇରେକ୍ଟ।
କଣ ମାଥା ଆପଣ ଲଗେଇ
ए बॉल खुदी जा बॉल नहीं जी से भाई नहीं जाओ से बॉल नहीं जाओ हला नेउ वाड नहीं कि जाउची से तेल को सेड तेल अछि छोरी तेल
ଏସିଲା ଯିବା ପରେ
ମୁଣ୍ଡରେ ଲଗେଇ
मामा
କଣ
ରାତିରେ ଏ ପତ୍ର ଯାକ ଇଏ ଦେଖି ପୁରା
ଚା ପରା ବୋଲ ଟିକେ ପକେଇ
ସେତିକି ଷ୍ଟାଇଲ ସେଇଟା
ବଢିଆ ছিল ସିଧା ଭିତରେ ଟ୍ରାନ୍ସପରେଣ୍ଟ ଜଣା ପଡୁଛି ଘର
ଏଇଟା ପୁରୁଣା ଏଟା ଆଜି
ଆଜି
ଆଣିଲା ଟା
ନା
ତମର ଟି ସାର୍ଟ ଦେ
ମୋର କୋଡ
ଅଛି ପରା ଲିଅ
ମୋର ମାନ
ଏ ବେଗ ଅଣ୍ଡାରେ ଯିବି ଗଲେ ପାଇବି ଦେଖ
ନାହିଁ ପୁରା ପାଇବୁନି ଏଇଟା ସେଇଟା କଳା ଟା ପିନ୍ଧି ସେଟା ପିନ୍ଧେ
କାଇ ବୋଲ ପରା
ଏଇଟା କଣ କରୁଛି ସେ ବୋତଲ ରଖିଛୁ
ବୋତଲରେ କଣ କରିବୁ ଏଇଟା କଣ ବିକିବୁ ଟିକେ ପରେ ଅଛି ସେଟା ଏ ନାଳ କୋଡ ଯା ବଲ କରୁଛ ছিল ପାଗଲୁ ଇଏ ଆଉଚି ଦେଖରେ କିଏ ପୂଜା ବୋଲ
ଆଣେ ଆଣେ ସେ କୋଣା କୋଡା ଆଣେ ଏ କୋଣା କିନ୍ତୁ ଏ ଝିଅ ଏ ଚୁଡା
ପୂଜା ନାହିଁ ପୂଜା କୋଡ ବୋଲ ପୂଜା ଦବୁ ନା ପୂଜା ପୂଜା କୋଡ ବୋଲ
ଚୁଡା ଏवर ଦେ ତ ସେଟା
କୋଡ କୋଡ
ଭିତରେ ରହିଲା ଚୁଡା ଏवर ଆଣେ ସେ ଗେଞ୍ଜିବା चप्पल दे रहा था पिंडू
चप्पल का मुझे तो डाल माना ही सर जा जा बिकी जा दादा हट जा जा दादा हट जा बिकी जा जल्दी जल्दी चला
ये दो रख दो
ହଁ ଏମିତି ତ ରହିବ।
Essence of these topics you will get once you implement them. So,
ଆଉ ତ
very
ଏମିତି ଢିଲା ଏଇଟା ରହିଲେ
there are
କେତେ
few
ସୁନ୍ଦର
more topics
ଦେଖାଯାଉଛି।
which are relevant to you. I'd like to mention. Already mentioned that supervised is and unsupervised in machine learning. In deep learning, when we say supervised, there are few topics coming to our mind, such as RNN, CNN, multi-layer perceptron, LSTM, and all. So I don't think I need to repeat them for BTech students. They have extensively studied it. Multi-layer perceptron I have also covered in this class. CNN is these are two important factors. CNN works with spatial data. Means I can say in terms of human how we can see things and take decision for this. Means if you take see a picture, you first what you do, looking at a picture, identify by what is there in, then check back in the memory what we have seen like this, then predict something. So this is what is CNN, and it works with spatial data. Means data with data with concept of space. That means it works with image. So in case of image processing computer vision, we use CNN, convolutional neural network. per image prediction. So in each layer, in input layer, take the image, then it segregates the image in hidden layer. Depending on what kind of hidden layer we have created, it will separate the features. Then each feature undergo linearity, then undergo analysis, and you can say features identification, location, then calculation, or then you can say prediction. For example, you have put one image of an animal, at the end it is detecting it's a dog or a cat. Okay, so this is the most popular algorithm used for spatial data. So one part of our brain also works for images and pictorial representation. Then comes another part of our brain works with, you can say, linear motion. I can say linear motion. That means how things change with respect to time. Okay, means let's say I'm saying something like, how are you? If I say how are you, correct, how, it may follow by how are or how many. So at time t0, I have said something. At time t1, I have said something else. This I cannot predict at any one point. Rather, I will move forward till time tm. Then only I will analyze. So this kind of data is also known as temporal data. Means data which data changes through sorry, data changes through time. So for that, our brain works differently. So what exactly it do? It uses fast memory to recall the word and calculate each sequence and give us prediction. So this helps through RNN. Okay. So these are what I said. Like these are some supervised learning. So let's talk about unsupervised learning. Okay. There are many unsupervised learning techniques are there. And most of the thing are very interesting topic. Unsupervised learning is a very intriguing and interesting topic. You can say it, it has some example like autoencoder, self-organized map, GAN, and restricted Boltzmann machine. If you ask, I'm very good fan of GAN, but it is again scary at certain point.
ଏଟା କଣ ପାଇଁ କାଢିଲୁ ଚପଲ
These are like defining clusters
ଏଟା ମୋର
or grouping,
ତୋର ମୁଁ ଦେଖିଛି କି
also help in converting
ତୋର ତୁ
higher
ଜାଣିବୁ ନା ମୋର
dimension data
ମୁଁ
to
ନେଇକି
lower
ଯାଇଛି
dimension data. Then again, you can say unsupervised learning also helpful in generating new things like GAN. Okay, GAN's origin story is very interesting. Let me share the article. Sorry, there is a professor called Ian Goodfellow. Ian Goodfellow has written a very good article in 2014. Okay. Okay. If you go to this site and download the paper, you can read the details. This is the origin of this is the origin of this deep fake images or deep fake networks. See, at certain point, these are positive things, and at certain point, these are also scary things around. Means out of nothing, it can generate something, which is good when you need it. But if your intention is bad, it is really scary if someone is not in trouble and you're creating nowadays cyber crimes and all uses deepfake. So this is what is the origin. So people are also working on these areas to prevent this kind of issues. See, the point of explaining all these concepts in brief is these are all research-oriented areas. If you want to explore any of these areas, you can go to the web, already shared the idea how to go to the Google Scholar and check the scholarly papers, means research article, origin article of each topic, read it. Then for means for BTech students and NC students, I would recommend if you want to explore with the coding, it's you can generate, execute, test, understand, then analyze. Because once the code is running, you take the input, get the output, you have a confidence that this software or this code is working. Once it is working, don't copy paste the code. Read the code, make change of it, see the outcome, observe it. Then only you will be able to understand how interesting the subject is. Because if you master this subject, it's like a good paradigm to work with for a research oriented or a new dimension of computer science. It may happen you can run startups or you can work with R&Ds of different companies or you can join any university for research and associated research works. So these are very good topic to work with. I'll be sharing all the material of both modules in a comprehensive manner in a day or two. Okay. Uh, means I'll be adding conceptual idea. Then mathematical representation. Then, if possible, Git repo. I think Git repo will take little bit time. I'm preparing it, organizing it. So Git repo will be added later. Okay, it is the thing. Then, if possible, diagrammatical analysis also, or flow of work, I can say, of each topic of module will be added in a file or in a collection of a file, and I will be sharing to you all. Look into each topic, analyze them. See, someone asked about the code. Code is something, if you want it, you have to write a mail. I will add it personally. Code I'm not sharing to anyone in a bulk because code is something, if you actually wanted to work, I will share. Because I've seen in the sessions, nobody is responding to the interaction. That feels like if people are not interested in learning. If you are not learning, there is wastage of data if I'm sharing it. So I'll keep it to myself. If someone is asking personally, I'll share them personally. This is what is the thing because in your exam, it is more like you people are more worried about exams. So let me clarify. The exams will be mathematical and analytical. It is not given like you have to write the code. If you want to learn the code, I will share the code. That's a separate domain of discussion. Okay. So far we have covered 4 dimensions, or you can say in 4 modules. I have spoken about 3 major dimensions. One is fuzzy, another is evolution, Another is neuro. If you really want to work, you combine neuro with fuzzy, then implement neuro fuzzy system that you can design. It is up to you if you analyze. Number one. Number two, what else you can do? You combine neuro with evolution. Let's say PSO, CSO, these topics I have already shared. Like I've shared the code as well. PSO, CSO, those works with you can say optimization problem. So what if this weight and the bias can be optimized using PSO or anything? If it is feasible, then we are great to do with neuro evaluation. So it will be great initiative if you start and work and explore. Already told, again repeating, there are two domains. One is problem domain, another is solving domain. What we studied is solving domain. What we are being studying for the last 4 years is solving domain. You choose your problem domain, choose a solving domain, implement your problem in that solving domain, you get some result, then that result may or may not be good enough. If it is good enough, compare with whatever is the result, compare how to know it is good enough, compare with existing results. If your work is good enough, then this. Your work is good enough than this, then you are a scientist who created a new thing or you are contributing to the society. This is what is the concept of writing a little research article and doing something good about the society. That's all. So this is the end of the subject. I don't want to take your much time. If you have anything, you can put it in the chat. I'll reply. I'll be here for 7 minutes. Whatever is there in your mind, you can put it in the chat. All the materials you will be receiving in a day or two, mostly in the Google Classroom. Okay, in a sequence.
ହଁ ସେଇଟା ତ ATM ଦେବେନି କି ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ ସେଇଟା ମତେ ଦରକାର ନାହିଁ ସେ ମାଷ୍ଟର ପାଖରେ ସେଇଟା ନାହିଁ ଯେ ଏଇଠି ତମେ କରିଦବନି କି ନାଇଁ ମୁଁ ଏଇଠି ଅଛି ଘରକୁ ଆଇଛି ଛୁଟି ହେଇନି ମୋ ହାତରେ ଖାଇଥିଲା ଯେ ବାଳ ବାହାରିଥିଲା ଏଇ କଟି କଟି ହେବ ସେଥିପାଇଁ ବାହାରିଥିଲା ଯେ ଆଇଛି ସେଇଟା ସେ ଆମର କ'ଣ ହେଇଛି ବୋଲେ ସେ ଜବ୍ କାର୍ଡଟା ଆମର ଇଏ ହେଇଯାଇଛି କି ନାହିଁ ହଁ 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 ସେଥିପାଇଁ ବୋଲି ମୋତେ ସେଇଟା ଏବେ ଟିକେ ଅର୍ଜେଣ୍ଟ ଦରକାର ଥିଲା ଆଉ କାଲିକି ହବନି ଆଜି ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ ଆଜି ଦେବି ମୁଁ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ହଉଥିଲା ପରା ସେଇଟା ନାଇଁ ମୋତେ ଏବେ ଦରକାର ଏବେ ଦରକାର ହେଲା ଆଉ ମୁଁ ଆଉଛି ର କ'ଣ କ'ଣ କହିଲ ହଁ 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 ହଉ ଠିକ୍ ଅଛି ହଁ ଅଛି ର ରଖୁଛି ନହେଲେ ହେ ତ ଏବେ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ହବ ନାଇଁ କହୁଛି ହାଁ ହୁଁ
ବାଡ଼େଇଲ ଭାତ
କଣ ହୁଁ ହୁଁ ହାଁ
ଆଁ ହେଲା ନା ନାଇଁ ଲୋ
ଘାଣ୍ଟ ଟିକେ
ମୁଁ ଘାଣ୍ଟି ପାରିବିନି ଆଁ କ'ଣ ପଇସା କ'ଣ ଆଁ କାର ପଇସା ଖର୍ଚ୍ଚ କରି ସାରିଲାଣି ତୁ ଖର୍ଚ୍ଚ କରିବା ବାକି ଅଛି ତୋର ମା ପଚା
ହୁଁ
କ'ଣ
ଏ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ନାଇଁ କହୁଛି
ଆଉ କେବେ
2-3 ଦିନ ଲାଗବ କହୁଛି ଆଉ 2-3 ଦିନରେ ବି ସେ କାର୍ଡ ଦବନି କହୁଛି ଖାତା
ଆଉ କ'ଣ ଦେବୁ
ଖାତା ଖାତା
ଓ ଖାତା ଦେବୁ
ଖାତା ତ ଏଟିଏମ୍
ହଁ ଆଉ କି କାର୍ଡ ଦେବନି
ଏ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ଦଉନଥିଲା
ତୁ ଯା ପୋଷ୍ଟ ଅଫିସକୁ ଡାଇରେକ୍ଟ କରେଇ କହ
ଏ ତ 2-3 ଦିନ କହୁଛି
କାଣିକି ରହିବି
ଆଣିଲେ ଆସେ
ଆଉ କ'ଣ
ଏ
ଦିଲୁର
ଦିଲୁ
ବଡ଼
ହଁ ସିଏ ପରା
ଫୋନ୍ କରିଥିଲି ଆଉ
ଏ ହାय ନା ଫୋନ୍ କରିଛି
ତାକୁ ଲଗା ଫୋନ୍ ଦେ
କାହାକୁ
ସେ ଦିଲୁର ବଡ଼
ନାଇଁ
ଲଗା କମ୍ପ୍ୟୁଟରରେ ଥାଉ ଆଉ ଫୋନ୍ କରୁନି ଭଲ ଲାଗେ
କ'ଣ କ'ଣ
ପଇସା ଦେ ଯାଉ ଏ ଗତେ ପାଣି ବୋତଲଟା ଆଣିବୁ ଜାଣିଲ ଏ କଟି ଯାଉ ଆରେ ସେ ଗ୍ୟାସ୍ ପୁରା लो କରିବୁ ଯା ତ
କ'ଣ ହାଇଗଡ଼େଇଲ
ନାଇଁ ଯେତିକିରେ ସେତିକି ଆଗା ଅଛି ଯେ ପୁରା लो କରିବୁ
हाँ बाबा चेक कर
ଆଇଥିଲା
तो मैसेज
କେତେ
लगा जो
ଶୁଣେ ଶୁଣେ କେତେ ଆଇଛି
आज क्या
କୋଉଟା ଦେଇଛୁ ଏଇ ନମ୍ବର
ଆରୁ ୟାର ଆକାଉଣ୍ଟରେ ନାଇଁ ସେଇଟା ଏଇଟା ଦି
ଖୋଲେ ତ
मैसेज लगा जो किसे तो
ସେମିତି ଆଇଲେ ଆଇବ ନହେଲେ ନାହିଁ କିଛି ଦିଆହେଇନି
କ'ଣ
मैसेज
ଆଉ ତାର ଆଧାର ଇଏ କଲାଟା ମେସେଜ ଆଇଲା ଲିଙ୍କ
हाँ जे पैसा छाड़ देवार को तो मैसेज आउची
ଆଗ ଷ୍ଟେଟ୍ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ
ହଁ ରବିଣ୍ଡ ହୁଏ
ଏ କାହିଁ ଇଏ କର
आम थांग सब उड़े
ଏରା
पैसा
ତୁ ଇଏ କର
ଖବର ମେସେଜ ଆଇଛି
ଆରେ ସେ ଫୋନ୍ ପାସୱାର୍ଡ ଖୋଲିଦେ ଆଣିଲୁ
ଆଇଲା
यार से कोनो तीन जन सब करते पैसा आले
କ'ଣ କରି ପକେଇବୁ
खाता किनले ड्रेस किनले
ତୁ ଏ ଖାତା କିଣିବୁ ଡ୍ରେସ୍ କିଣିବୁ ନା
नहीं भावती
କ'ଣ ଭାବୁ
कितना 2000 दे ले कम बुकिंग बाबा यार आ बाकी पैसा जा खर्च करो
କ'ଣ କିଣିବୁ
कम
କି କହିବୁ
କି କମ୍ବୁ କିଣିବୁ
तो
ସିଏ
कम बुकिंग है सब आ रहे कम के बात बोल सकते हैं कलर पड़ो मैम के बड़ा पिक्चर लगा से मैम दीदी तो पढ़ाई दो कंप्लेन दे बार मुझे कम टका कार जाइथिलु
ଆଇଲା ପରା ସୁ
ए हां सु कलर में पहला मैं सु कटे
ଏ ଦାଦାକୁ କିଣିଲୁ
गुड लक के दवा तमे सब केड़े दिया
ଦାଦାକୁ କହିଲୁ କିଣିଦେବ